Quick update on the Porsche 928. The last Cars and Coffee of the year, the 928 ended up stalling on my way home about 4 miles from the house. So hit a bump and lost fuel. Lost fuel pressure. Sure enough, it was loose connection on the fuel pump again. So worked on getting that all fixed, and I think we're back in business now. That combined with a faulty fuel pump regulator that would not turn off was the culprit. So while that was happening last week, parts from Classic 9 came in. These are our new carpet set and the replacement dash vinyl and dash pod vinyl. So we're going to be working on those in the coming weeks. So this is the box I received from Classic 9. And there is the foam that we'll use on the dash pod, the instrument binnacle, and there's the center console we're going to redo. That's how the dash cover comes rolled up. And the rest of the box was carpets. And these are OEM quality. Classic 9 does a really nice job. I thought the match on the brown was very good. You'll see, other than the back seats. But here's the first one was the trunk. That's the driver's side carpet and the passenger side, and then the two rear seats areas. Those were missing. So here I am installing the replacement carpet because this was missing in the car. And while the texture and the material is a good match, the color, because of those, as you'd expect in the hatchback, the original ones have faded a little bit, so not much I can do there. Here's a shot. On the left is the original, what I believe to be the original driver's side carpet, and then the new one on the right. There's the main reason why. The jute backing shot, and it just makes a mess every time I even look at the carpet. And it's got a little bit of a smell to it, probably from mice in the car at some point. I went with a modern backing, and that's the passenger side I'm showing where I'm putting it in. I think the nap more than anything. It's a good match. Just the lighting's a little different. Here I am showing putting it one of the rear seats on the driver's side, putting that in. Not sure if I'm going to glue it down or not. And there's a shot of the driver's side, the original one on the left, and then the new one. As with any replacement, it's not an exact match. I gave, so it's interesting. Classic 9, if you're watching this, the template's a little bit different. Or it could be that the carpets were replaced at some point. I just don't know. So there's a good shot of the driver's piece in there. I'm just loose fitting it right now. I plan to take this all apart, detail it, and you'll see the dead pedal. I'll have to remove to be able to tuck the carpet underneath, but for now it was just good to put in there and see it. And so that's where we're at with it. So that's the latest and greatest. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to be working on a lot of stuff on this over the balance of December and January. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, and visit guyswithrides.com today. Take care.